Okay, everyone, I apologize for the previous lesson that someone called my phone and interrupted that. But let's go for the for exercise. What is the for exercise? Exercise for prime check function. What is it? Okay, let's paste it here and try to solve it. Exercise for prime check function. Write a Python function, name its prime that takes your number as an argument and returns true if the number is prime and false is otherwise. You know what the prime numbers are? The prime numbers are the ones that are not divided by other numbers. Here it write the code. We are going to write it by ourselves, but at first we copy that. Oh, okay, we copy that. And paste it here, or we can write it by ourselves. Well, let's write it by ourselves. For example, let's say def prime, def is prime. Okay, is prime, and then get one input number, we call it, and let's write it. Okay, at first we must check if n number is bigger than 1. Why? Because if the number is less than 1, the prime is not important for that. After that, we must find out for x in range number int number -2. But we must here put number is equal to number int number, because sometimes the numbers are a string and we need to change them. For x in range that, we said if xx, okay, if xx, what we are going to do, we say if xx number divided by xx is equal to 0, but the thing is that xx starts from 0, but we want it to start from what? Can you guess? From 2 divided by 0. Let me just put another here, and then if this point is equal, let's say x is equal to true, if this happened, x is equal to false. Let's run it. It has a lots of problem. Let me just see range. Okay, I find out the problem. Range, it is here is the problem, range int, and okay, we fix it. Now for example, let's give a number to it and see if it's working right or wrong. Is prime, for example, 7. Okay, we forget to add return to it. Return x. True, it's prime. Let's go with 10. False. This code is working right. Okay, this is one exercise for this lesson, but you can think on the exercise 5 that we have here, reverse string function, and solve it by yourself. Until the next lesson, we solve it by ourselves. Have a nice time. Until then, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments, sorry.